I just got these whitening strips and I'm so excited to use them. I've heard really good things about it. So we're starting with the before right here. I have pretty white teeth, but I do drink a lot of coffee, so I do get the staining on them. So it's very important that I use whitening strips. And I've been using another brand, but I've, again, heard great things about this one. I love that there's no sensitivity. So this is what it looks like when it comes out. They are individually wrapped. And this top one that's longer, that's gonna be for the top. And then the other one that's a little more curved, that's gonna be for the bottom. So let's put it on. So you wanna use both hands. So you're kind of sealing it around your teeth. I know I look funny, but I can still talk with it in, which is great. And then this is gonna be for the bottom. It goes up like this. It's in. We're gonna give it 30 minutes and then I will take them off and show you the results. We just hit the 30-minute mark. Let's take them off. Now, I always recommend go brush your teeth right after. So I'm gonna go do that. Okay, I'm back. You ready for this? I think it made a really big difference. I'm gonna get up close. It seems so much whiter. Now, a couple things to note after using these, I felt like it left a pretty thick film on it. So I had to brush like longer than normal to kind of get that all off compared to some other white strips I've used in the past. So it does leave a little bit more of like a thicker film, but you brush that right off. And then also note, you don't want to eat or drink 30 minutes after using these. So don't do it right before you're about to have lunch or dinner or anything like that. I'm super impressed by the results. I think you're gonna love it.